you back your originals. At a personal level, what is your net worth in terms of finances?
Mr. Chairman, may I, with your permission, just draw your attention to the fact that my bachelor's degree certificate from the University of Nairobi, I submitted a copy of the same, but I do have a confirmation letter from the university confirming my status as a graduate of that university.
What happened to the original?
It was misplaced, Mr. Chairman.
Okay.
Yes.
Go ahead and answer the last question.
Mr. Chairman, my net worth is 425 million Kenya shillings.
How do you segregate that?
If you allow me, Mr. Chairman, I would quickly make reference to the questionnaire that I submitted to this honorable committee, which provides details of the spread of that net worth, which includes my residence here in the city of Nairobi, my country residence back in Busia County, a business titled Chase Bay, 2 land holdings, a shareholding in Safaricom, the Cooperative Bank, and the Kenya Power. And my pension income is part of that net worth. 2 motor vehicles, a Range Rover and a Jeep Wrangler Rubicon, and 2 water vessels, Mr. Chairman. That is provided in the details of the questionnaire, totaling to 425 million.
Those are fishing boats or luxury boats?
Mr. Chairman,
commonly called a yacht.